Hello, please take 2 minutes to check out our business and find out why we are the best.
Artificial grass turf, putting green, synthetic lawn installation. Call now, 702-381-7290. Tired of that old backyard with the dust and dirt? Is your front yard getting fined from the HOA because your grass isn't holding up to their standards? Are you looking for the best artificial grass contractor in Las Vegas? The best reviewed, friendly, experienced installers. Introducing Artificial Grass Now. Artificial Grass Now is the only choice for the best value in synthetic lawns, putting greens, and dog runs. We have top quality artificial lawns available with the best installers who can troubleshoot difficult situations before they become an issue. Being a small, locally run artificial grass contractor in Las Vegas, you receive direct, wholesale priced artificial turf with experienced estimators that help find what works best for your budget. This provides you with great value in your synthetic lawn installation experience. We are a reliable licensed contractor with decades of experience. Looking for a water-smart contractor for your Southern Nevada Water Authority rebate? For a free estimate from our experienced SNWA Smart Team, call now, 702-381-7290. Click the link below to be taken to our special offer code. You can present this upon your free estimate. We know you have many options for your artificial grass needs. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to serve you. Call the number below or leave your name and contact information where we will do our best to reach you. So what are you waiting for? Just contact us. Phone number 702-381-7290. Best price fake grass, pet-friendly artificial grass installers.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.